welcome to Baylis Vauxhall. Today we're viewing a Toyota Yaris 1.5 Hybrid XL. This vehicle's covered 36,371 miles in suspension bronze. Also comes with a Baylis warranty with the option to extend it to up to 36 months. It comes with many features including parking sensors and LED taillights, stylish 15-inch alloy wheels, colour-coded door handles and colour-coded mirrors with built-in indicators. At the front of the vehicle, there are daytime running lights and front fog lights. As we take a look inside through the driver's door, you'll find contrasting grey half leather upholstery, front and rear electric windows, keyless entry and start, height adjustable driver's seats, electric mirrors as well, plus lane departure warning, touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, plus satellite navigation, digital radio as well, dual zone climate control, USB connection for your mobile device, automatic gearbox and drive mode select, multifunction steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth controls, plus automatic wipers. So we look inside the rear, there's a spacious seating area with ISOFIX provision on the outer rear seats. And as we open the tailgate, a spacious boot with a 60/40 split folding rear seat. If you're interested in this vehicle, then please give us a call at Baylis Vauxhall.